So welcome back. This is the continuation video of the another working session of the Cloudy Code, which I have shown in the previous video. So in this video, I'll be showing you about the changes, what it has suggested us, right? It has suggested that I will be working on some of the improvement. Okay. So these are the improvement, whatever it is going to do into our code, existing code. So it is saying implemented edge level train test split. That's fine. We'll see code. Then it will add these two graphs and it will try to make use of the graph attention layer that is known as GAT, which is the part of the GNN model. And then it will implement GAT layer into the model. So we need to wait for this because it is trying to refactor a lot of the code. So just wait. Now we can see it has implemented this one edge level train test split, and it is now currently working on the GAT support into the model. Maybe it will take around 2-3 more minutes to get it finished. Let's see what it has changed. Yes, it has changed some files also. We'll come back to this, what it has changed once it has finished. So it has done some changes, and here you can see this is the graph which is generated that I'll be showing you once it is successfully finished. Meanwhile, we have to wait. Here we got the implementation after a long gap. Now you can see these are the features it has implemented, and the result is also generated. Get with similar hidden channels. No, 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 no. Don't want to do any more further experiment now because it's late night for me when I'm making this working session on Cloudy Code. Okay, so it is asking me add age, weight, transformation, transaction amount, and other things. So what I can do, first let me commit these changes. Before committing, I just want to see how it has generated the reports. So reports is looking okay to me. Let me ask it to commit. So I had asked it to commit and it is just trying to commit. Before that, it will just check all the things. Okay, it's running now. Okay. Here is the output file. We'll talk on that later on. It is adding these many files. So this is the git command to add. Now it is committing. It just committed. Now it is asking me what it is asking me. Do you want to proceed? Yes. So very good thing into Claude is if it is failed due to some reason, it will auto retry till the time it is getting the result. Now, after the successful commit, I'm pushing it to remote. Changes are already committed. Pipeline done successful with GAT model. Okay. And now it is pushing to remote. This one also we can verify. All the code changes is pushed. Only the output and other things is pending over here. We already have seen the example like how to commit and other things, but still as a part of this working session, it should be able to commit it so that next time whenever we are making use of this repo, all the changes as per the video will be committed over there and we can start work on that. It is executing this command git push -f origin enhancement. So from the this desktop, Git desktop, you can see the branch is already published now. We'll see from the terminal. Now you can see branch enhancement set to track. Okay, everything is up to date. So that's all. Thank you. I will be making more video on this Claude Code.